My name is Dawn Gregg. I'm the current chair of the UKSTT. I want you to take a look today at how to enter the UKSTT Awards. If you go via our website, which can be found at ukstt.org.uk, it's very straightforward. So as you can see on our homepage here, we have got a tab at the top for the UKSTT Awards 2022. Now, when you click on there, you will also see there are options to see past winners. There's an option to see our Lifetime Achievement winners. And there's also some photographs from our event last year, which was utterly fantastic. There's also that all-important option to enter the awards this year. And that's what we're going to take a look at, because that's what I think you really need to do. You know, I'm a great believer that you've already done the hard work. So now all you really need to do is crow about it. Why not? I'm sure that you've put together a little case study about the fantastic projects you've been working on, or about your new product technologies or your applications. Whatever it is, we need to hear from you. You need to put it in paper, in writing, and send it off to take part in our awards, which take place in September of this year at No Dig Live. So there's a couple of things on here. First of all, it goes through the different awards that are possible. There's a few new entries this year. We've got a new installation award for pipe jacking, micro-tunnelling and guided boring. We also have a new installation award for horizontal directional drilling. We've got a pipe rehabilitation award for CIPP, or cured in place pipelining. And we've also got one for pipe rehabilitation using techniques other than CIPP, just to be perfectly fair. Then we have an Innovative Technology Award, which is slightly different from last year. This is to cover products and system technologies that support trenchless technology. We've also got an Environment Award. We've got a Detection, Location and Inspection Award. And finally, my favourite, the Chair's Choice of Young Professional Award. And I really urge all of you to take a look at these and really enter. You can find out on these top tabs here more information about the judging criteria and the judging process. We've got the individual awards criteria here and the award entry rules and guidelines. That all sounds really complicated. It's not. It's incredibly straightforward. All that you really need to do is select, for example, you want to submit something for the innovative technology. You've got something really fantastic to share with us. Then all you need to do is just click on that and then get your entry form. So just click on there, and what you'll see is down below, I beg your pardon, down below you'll see on the screen, I've done it twice now, but it'll come up with the Word document, and when you open that Word document, it'll show you how to take part. You just put in your name details, your contact details, your company or organisation details, and then anyone who was involved in the technology with you in this case, any contractor that was involved in the project, and then give a little summary. It's not much, 100 words, it's nothing, a couple of sentences, and then you can put down your submission. Now, like I say, in the criteria conditions, it tells you what there is to think about. Then you can really check that everything has been adhered to. So, for example, in the Innovative Technology Award, we've got overall innovative contribution to the industry, which makes up 20 marks. We've got client satisfaction, because people have to be happy with what they get, and that's worth 10 marks. Health and safety, which of course is paramount, which is worth 10 marks. And environmental benefits is worth 10 marks. And it also goes into details about what each of those categories actually means in a marking term. So hopefully it's really straightforward. It helps you put together the very best entry that you can. You can also attach some lovely images or videos even to go with this, and that gives the judges the very best information about your submission. So I strongly advise you to take part. It would be fantastic to see you up on stage in September at No Dig Live, showing off your new award, and I would love to present it to you. If you've got any questions, you can either contact myself or you can contact our wonderful Associate Director, Lynn, and her details can be found on the contact page or on the home page, or probably on most pages of the website actually. And there we go. You can either telephone Lynn, you can email her at lynn@ukSTT.org.uk, or you can fill in this simple form and that'll go winging its way straight to Lynn and she'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for your attention. Take care.